Tangencies is an opportunity for us to experience something, for us to feel something or see something that we know is there, that we often just completely overlook. So it's an art project that involves going into public spaces and drawing these large arrays of tangent circles with chalk, and then inviting people to come and step into those circles and activate them. And activate them by sharing that space with another person for 1 minute, 1 minute of stillness and reflection, to just be present with the other person. I think that in our world today, we have so many things going on that deserve our attention, but also so many things that are distractions, that it's so easy to just always be moving forward and to lose sight of what's right in front of us. And oftentimes that's the people in our lives that really shape who we are, and then who we also shape through the things that we do. And so the work is an opportunity to really sort of reveal the influences that we have on each other and how we shape each other and how we are all interconnected within the communities that we live. And so the circles that we're drawing in public spaces with chalk, these large circles, both are representations of how we're connected to each other, but also are an opportunity to sort of take a moment out of our busy day, this flow of distractions, to just be present, to be with another person, and to reflect upon your relationship with them, how maybe you've shaped each other's lives, but also just how we all are interconnected and how we all play important roles in who we are and who we hope to be. And one of the things that I think is really compelling about Biosphere 2 is how it sparks our imagination. Just imagining this thing being built is already an unbelievable undertaking. Then to imagine people living in it and being self-sufficient is an unbelievable undertaking. And then to think about the science that's going on here is also an unbelievable undertaking. And so just to be in this space, I think, opens up our minds to the possibilities of what is possible.